Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video we are going to see how to create a basic map in PowerBi. Okay, so let's just open PowerBi desktop, and this is our dataset which we are using for creating a map. So if you want to create a map, so you should have a city, country or region kind of data to create a map. Okay, so here we have this country, here we have country, city, okay, and region. These kind of data we have, so on the basis of that we are going to create a map. So in this visualization pen we have this map. Okay, so you just need to click on this map. Here you get a basic map. Okay, and I am making this my map on the basis of region and sales. So from this data table you need to select this region. Okay, and sorry, I need to click here, just remove this, sorry. Okay, we have this. You just need to select region and sales. You have so many regions, so basically you need to filter it. I want top 10 regions on the basis of sales. Okay, and you also need to bubble size each, okay, region. Okay, so you can see here you need to put as you can see here we put location. In location you need to put a country. Okay, in legends I put the region, which is a particular region in a country. Okay, and in we do not have latitude or longitude, so we didn't put it on this map. Okay, and here we have our bubble size according to the sales. Okay, our bubble size is based on the sum of sales. Maximum sales has having the maximum bubble size, and the small bubbles is having the less sales. Okay, so that's how you can create a basic map in our PowerBi. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more such videos.